What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Cadillac. Now, if you've seen those boring lights in the intro, we're going to switch that up. A small little mod. It's only going to take us about 5 minutes, and the only tool you need is a flathead. Now, I went on Amazon and picked up these cool lights right here, made in China. Let's see how good they are. So, they come in a nice little packaging, like so. Let's install them. All right, here's the door. Come right over here. Put your flathead right here. You're gonna push, pop it out, and my light just went out. But oh well. Oh wait, let's see. All right, I'm gonna put you guys on the ground real quick. Tab right here. I'll install the new guy. Alright, time to hop on this side. Do this with one hand. Right here. Pop out. Gonna put you guys down again. Alright guys, and just like that, the lights are in. Pretty quick and short for you guys, less than 5 minutes. If you guys like the product, the link is in the description below. Go check it out. Make sure to subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Thanks.